Good morning and welcome to our Friday Assembly. We would like to acknowledge and respect the Lekwungen-speaking peoples on whose traditional territory we stand and the Songhees, Esquimalt, and Wasanich peoples whose historical relationships with the land where we live, work, play, and learn continue to this day. Please stand for O Canada and the school song. Now cover your ears because it's time for Friday Morning Online!
Stop! Have you done your daily health check?
Yes, we did our daily health check. Let's go!
Let's go! We're going into school today!
Stop!
What?
Mr. Bowers, did you do your hand sanitizer?
We forgot! Okay. We're ready!
Xavier.
Have you remembered to say happy birthday while you wash your hands?
Oh, that's right. How many times do I need to sing it again?
Just once.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Thanks for the reminder, Xavier.
Awesome.
Stop! Mr. Bowers, you can't run through the hallway.
Oh, I've got to walk, of course then. Thank you. Sorry about that.
Make sure you remember to do a uniform check. Pulling up our socks, buttoning our shirts, tucking in our shirts. Fantastic. Look at your neighbor. Did they do a good job? Good. Xavier, your collar, I think. Perfect. Let's go.
Mr. Bowers, do you have any announcements?
I have a special announcement today. We have 4 celebrities in our midst, being Miss Jana Sullivan, Alicia Bird, Joanna Dunn, and Mira Bandesha. They were the recipients of the 2021 Outdoor Play Canada Practice Award. And I would just like to take some time just to read you a little bit. These 4 teachers, a team of junior kindergarten teachers at the nature school at Glenlyon, Norfolk school, have created an environment that is not just outdoor education, it is not just environmental education, nor is it just play. It is a unique combination of all 3. It is about discovery outside, which makes their daily guidance to our students very special. They encourage students to learn through direct experience and activities that flow from what nature presents each day, whether on campus, on a local hike, or further afield. Their goal is to tap into 3 to 6-year-old students' sense of wonder about nature while teaching basic environmental and natural science principles, as well as connecting first people's principles of learning. These educators take advantage of the outdoor environment and expand their students' understanding and pure joy that being outside brings. The passion these teachers show is evident in their incredible experience the students have. The joy of being outside that flows through in conversation in the students' homes and communities and social media platforms. These educators have left an indelible impression on these young people early on, a true love of their curiosity of the outdoors. Congratulations, ladies.
Thank you, and have a fantastic weekend, everyone.